Hello everyone, in this video Faisal How Gadget will share how to enable dual apps on Samsung Galaxy listed in the title. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. First, open your settings menu. Yaps. Okay, next open advanced features. Okay, next open dual messenger. Okay, here you can see a list of applications that you have installed that support duplication. I can duplicate WhatsApp application. Okay, next click install. Yep, successfully. Okay, now you can have two WhatsApp number on your cell phones. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.